What is batch cooking?
Batch cooking is the process of preparing multiple portions of meals at once, then storing them to enjoy throughout the week. This technique saves time, reduces stress, and helps you stick to a healthy eating plan. Instead of cooking every day, you invest a few hours only once or twice a week, leaving you with convenient, home-cooked meals when you need them most.
Why batch cooking is a game changer?
Batch cooking streamlines your weekly routine, freeing up valuable time and reducing daily meal decisions. It makes eating healthy easier by letting you control ingredients and portion sizes. You also save money by buying ingredients in bulk and reducing food waste. Whether you have a busy schedule or just want more free evenings, batch cooking helps you eat well with minimal effort.
Getting started, planning your meals.
Start by selecting a few versatile recipes that use similar ingredients. Make a shopping list for the week and plan for balanced meals with protein, whole grains, and vegetables. Consider dishes like soups, casseroles, stir-fries, or grain bowls. These store and reheat well. Planning ahead helps you make healthier choices and ensures you're never scrambling to put a meal together.
Batch cooking in action. Tips for success.
Set aside dedicated time for cooking, such as Sunday afternoons. Prep ingredients in advance, cutting vegetables and measuring spices before you start cooking. Use large pots and pans to make multiple servings at once. Cool cooked food quickly and store it in airtight containers. Label each container with the meal and date so you can easily grab and go during the week.
Storing, reheating, and staying inspired.
Store meals in the fridge for up to 4 days, or freeze portions for longer shelf life. Reheat safely, making sure food is piping hot before eating. To keep things interesting, vary your spices or sauces and mix and match sides. Batch cooking is flexible. Experiment with new recipes and personalize your meals to suit your taste and lifestyle.